Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Coders Arcade. So in today's video, we'll be talking about one more important concept in C programming, which is enumeration or in short enums in C programming. Okay. So before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like and share our videos as usual. And at the same time, if you are new to the channel, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to create more content like this. Okay. Thank you for your support and I hope you'll be supporting us in future as well. Okay. So as I said, today's topic is enumeration or enums in C programming. Okay. So this will be the part one video. Here I will be showing you how to create an enum and how to get used to enums and start using them. So without any more ado, let's get started and I will directly go to my IDE. Okay, so here we are inside the IDE. Now let's do one thing. I'll create a simple text file and here I will give you some idea about what are enums actually. Okay, so enums in short for enumerations are actually a way to create named constants. Okay, so they make your code more readable. These are some important points. They make your code more readable and they can be related to specific type of data, and at the same time by default they are actually integers. And let us now see how we can use them. Guys, I will give you some examples so that you can understand more about them. Okay, enums can be the days in a week, say some colors, or maybe the months in a year, and so on. So as you see here, named constants. So an enumeration or enum is a named constant. So suppose I'm talking about some colors, red, blue, green, yellow. You remember when we were in our colleges or your schools, we had some houses. When you had our school weeks, we had houses where we had the colors like red, comma blue, green, comma yellow. These kind of data or named constants can be used using an enum. Okay, so let's see how to create them. Okay, let's go to this file that I have created and I will show you how you can create an enum. Okay, in order to create an enum, you don't have to do it inside the main function. You have to just use the enum keyword and simply you have to write the name of the enum that you want to create. So suppose I want to create an enum called colors. Okay, and inside that I can simply write the colors that I need. Okay, as I said, red, comma, blue, comma, green. Okay, and it is better to write them as capital letters because these are actually a group of constants that will never change. Okay, so as I say here, by default I said enums are actually in the backend integers, so they start from 0. Okay, please remember that. So this will be 1 and this will be obviously 2. Fine. Now we have created a standard data type called color like this. Fine. Now whenever we want a red color, we just have to create a variable of this enumeration. So simple, I will just say enum, then color, color, or you can take anything. I'm taking C is equal to, you can take any one of the values. I'm taking red for example. Okay, so if I try to print, the color is percentage D, comma, C. Can you guess what color will I get? See, red corresponds to 0. Okay, let's now see if it is correct or not. It should be the color is 0. See guys, the color is 0. And obviously, if you change it to green, it will be 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, I hope you understood this. This is how you can actually create a group of constants. Now, rather than creating a color enum, you can create a day enum, which can be Monday to Sunday, etc., etc., which can be January to December. Okay, so enum, as I said, is a group of named constants. Okay, and by default, they will be having the decimal data type or the integer data type. Okay, And they can also be made to point to character data type also. You can do that. Okay. And for example, as I said, days in a week, colors, or months in a year, and so on. You can have your own set of enums. It doesn't matter. Okay. So actually, they make the data more readable. Okay, it makes your code look very simple and easy to understand. That is the benefit of using enums. Okay, so guys, I hope you have understood this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any doubts regarding this, please post them in the comment section. I'll be very happy to clarify them. Okay, now then, till the next video or the next part, I want you to go through this and try to create your own enums and try to learn more about them. Okay, by the time I will bring you the next video, which will be actually enum with custom values. Okay, fine. So thank you for watching and happy learning.